Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ady2faces. Happy birthday to you. Banaga mikwano abalungi aba Kijja Avenue. Niba client bange mwena ntwala musabuno okwagaliza mukwano gwaffe omulungi ennyo director waffe mu movies zaffe ez'enjawulo Ady2faces. Mukwano, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Nsaba Mukama akuwangaze emyaka gyonna era akoze ebirungi ebiyinza okugasa nga ffe tugasa mu Kijja n'abo bonna abalala bakutwalodde nkwagaliza birungi byerere. Bannanga tamanyi Ady2faces omukyala ayagaliza, omukyala ayagala okulaba banne bonna nga bayambuka, omukyala akwata banne ku mikono era mu movies zaffe atubeererawo nnyo. Director waffe omulungi atwagaliza okutuuka watuuse sinakino tuwala tumuyiteko. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday my daughter Mumbejja wange nkwagala nnyo.
Happy birthday Ady2faces. Love you so much.
Happy birthday mulungi wange my Ady2faces. Bane adi bali kujambula mu wange bali kutusa mu wange bali kunjagala bane yoneste speech bane kakosa ganda zungera kuleta obusana bane adi bali kunjagala bali kumbeera bali kwagala bantu bonna bali kuba muntu w'abantu.
Happy birthday, Ady. Happy birthday, Ady. Ady2.
Happy birthday, my dear big sister, friend, and celebrity girlfriend. I love you so much. Ady2faces. Happy birthday. I personally love you so much. I just pray for you. Ask that the Lord gives you each and everything that you desire.
Happy birthday Ady, tukwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi kalitalu waffe ekimunenga tukwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi. More years of success, more years of fujjo, more years of byonna. Happy birthday Ady.
Hi Ady2faces, how are you? Hope you good kakwan kansubira oli bulungi. I'm here to wish you a happy birthday. Nkwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi, nkwagaliza bisinga mu mwaka omupya gw'oyingidde mukuba mmanyi olina targets z'omuguno omwaka mwaka gw'oyingidde njagala kino Mukama akikubalire. You know oli omu ku bantu bennakamanya nti nga balina that pure heart abatafeekinga mukwano. Oli omu you know batiktokers abasinga obungi beerabawo olwakuke balinamuko ka pride akyategwe kugwe kyawukanamu. Nkwagaliza kisinga just n'okuliyo nnyo, nkwagaliza kisinga. Happy birthday Ady2faces from Lukwa Gift.
Hey, happy birthday Ady2faces. Bana chikwano nkwagala nnyo 100 times.
Happy birthday Ady, nkwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi. Webali kubeera mukwano gwange omulungi, webali ddala, webali kwagala bantu, webali kubeera waddala. Amazima gali nti Ady oli waddala. Nze nina ekyenkwagala ku kino ekintu kimu, sigenda kigamba kati naye muli abantu babiri abakinkolera mu bulamu bwange aba otherwise nkwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi. Happy birthday.
Spoken here, just wish Ady2faces a happy birthday. We love you and wish you the very best. Bless.
Happy birthday, Ady2faces. I love you so much. May you live long from nothing. Bye.
Yo, happy birthday Ady2faces. Tukwagaliza amazalibwa amalungi. Webale nnyo kubeera mukazi w'amaanyi, webale nnyo kubeera mukazi mukozi. Tukwagaliza ebisinga. It's your day, oli waddembe okunywa n'ovuga. Enjoy your day. Tukwagala nnyo, tukwagalira ddala. We love you. Respect. Emyaka mingi. Tukwagaliza emyaka emingi wangaale. Ng'enfudu z'emmengo.
Hi, hello Ady2faces, Mama Radio here, and oh my god, my hair is this one, and I'm here to wish you a happy birthday, a happy blessed birthday, my girlfriend, my sister, my everything. Oh my god, I can't wait to celebrate you, and I wish you nothing but the best. Kwagaliza birungi byerere Ady wange, Katonda akuteremu obwangu mu buli kimu ky'okola. Happy birthday, I love you so much. Momo here for you.
I take this opportunity okwagaliza mukadde munnange Nansuka Khadija aka Ady2faces a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy +1. Era sawa Allah akuwe baraka, akuwonya abenkwe, akuwonya ababi, abamasa amabi, aboogera ebibi, whatever is bad, Allah alikutaase, akulongoseze amakubo go, akuwe nur buli kyokola, emikono gyo buli kyekikwatako kirabe emikisa, edduwa zo zonna zaanukula zikusembereze. Whatever you wish to have, let it be. Happy +1. Happy birthday.
Hey Ady, I wish you a happy birthday, and I love you so very much. Okay, sorry for the excitement, but I think I may sing for you this song. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ady, happy birthday to you, happy birthday my dear darling, I love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ady. Happy birthday to you. Hello.
Birthday, my lovely sister Ady.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ady. Happy birthday to you.
Amazalibwa amalungi. Happy birthday mikwano. Happy birthday Nsobedwa. Kijja.
Hello Ady2faces, this is Ashley and I'm here to wish you the happiest birthday. Wishing you a day filled with love and all the happiness your heart can hold. You deserve nothing but the best day, and always may this year bring you endless blessing and joy. Happy birthday to you, Ady2faces.
Hi Ady, Manila here. I want to say happy birthday to you, my love. Mama, thank God for your life. Thank God for this day. May you thrive. May you enjoy this day to the fullest. Happy birthday. We love you so much.
Kwagala nnyo ebitagambika, more wins, more years, more blessings, more money. Mukama akunkumire, nakupenda sana ebitagambika. Keep the good heart. We love you.
amazalibwa amalungi mukama akuwa omukisa akuwa buli kyeweetaaga.
Hello everyone, this is China from SAMARA and I'm here to wish my sister Ady2faces happy birthday. May Allah fulfill all your dreams and may you live longer. We love you so much.
Happiest birthday to you, my love Ady2faces. May God bless you, protect you. Allah kume obuwangazi. Tubale kuba na mutima mulungi. We love you so much. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ady. It's Melanie here from my screen and my screen. I want to wish you a happy birthday. I love you so much. Take care. More years, more money, more blessings. You're my big sister.